speaking of stocks then, Kanishka, let's take a look at the handover coming in from Wall Street. 2 straight winning days, so there's good news there.
Very good morning, Shreyansi. That's correct. A very positive handover from the US. Stocks rose on Monday, building on their comeback from a 4-week decline on Wall Street on the back of President Donald Trump's chaotic tariff policy rollout and a falling consumer confidence. Well, overnight on Wall Street, the S&P 500 gained about 0.6%, the NASDAQ composite climbed 0.3%, and the Dow also advanced 353 points or 0.8%. In fact, in the past 2 sessions, the Dow has gained over 1,000 points. Well, yesterday's gains were led by Walmart and IBM. The positive sentiment was also because US retail sales data for February came in at 0.3%, excluding autos, and this was pretty much in line with what the street had expected. The yield on 10-year treasuries declined 1 basis point to 4.3%. Going into the week, a sense of wait and watch may also emerge from policymakers in their first assessment of how Donald Trump's trade policies are impacting the economy. While Fed officials expected to hold rates steady on Wednesday, the market will focus on officials' updated economic projections and Chair Jerome Powell's press conference for cues on the path ahead.
Well, absolutely. So that's the take coming in as far as Wall Street is concerned. That's what the handover then looks like for Wall Street. Let's also take a very quick look at oil prices then, because you did have a rise coming in as far as oil prices are concerned after US President Donald Trump said that the US would hold OPEC member Iran responsible for any future attack by the Houthis, a militant group in Yemen that has launched missile strikes on commercial shipping in the Red Sea as well as Israel. When you take a look at US crude oil, in terms of the levels, you're looking at an uptick of 0.6%, $67 per barrel is the level that you have for that one, and even global benchmark Brent gained just about 49 cents there, about 0.7% there, about $71 a barrel is the level that you're looking at as far as Brent is concerned. So maintain that $70 per barrel level. But as far as Brent is concerned, 0.7% is the kind of uptick that you have at hand. When you take a look at what else you have happening, you do have the Houthis that began targeting commercial shipping traversing in the Red Sea in late 2023 in support of Hamas. Like I mentioned, that is something that we're keeping an eye on in terms of developments as far as oil is concerned. Now, it's gold that's key to look at because you do have a lot of strength returning as far as gold is concerned on the back of safe haven demand. Other than that, of course, you do have Trump's tariff commentary, a whole host of factors, even because you do have lower interest rates that also bolster the demand for gold as well. And you do have Fed's potential rate cuts that we're keeping an eye on in terms of what gold is doing. You have an uptick of 0.4% there, about hovering close to those $3,000 an ounce levels ahead of that Fed rate decision, and that's going to be the key to watch out for, Kanishka.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.